Hello, everyone. Mark here from Herox Comms team, and today I'm joined by Monica Jacobs from Unity Health. This video is a follow-up interview from the group one we just did with the World Cup Emergency Preparedness team. And Monica, thank you so much again for your time in meeting with me for this one-on-one, where we can put you in the spotlight. So for this interview, I just have one question for you. Having spent so many years in emergency preparedness, what continues to inspire you, and how does an event like the World Cup bring that passion to life?
Great question, Mark. If I have to say one thing, it's the people. What never ceases to surprise and amaze me is how everybody comes together when something happens. My first foray into emergency preparedness was SARS, so I guess that dates me a little bit. And it's not that long since we actually came out of COVID. And unlike SARS, which was over a period of months, COVID was years.
Right.
And every time it's the resiliency of that healthcare sector and the healthcare workers. You take a look at the people, and to me, they're my everyday heroes. I'm in awe of the people that I'm privileged to work with each and every day. When we went into Operation Red Card, we were trying to get people excited about yet another big planning initiative. And you know what? Everybody stepped up. We had more than 100 people show up just across Unity sites. We had surgeons, anesthetists, clinicians, our frontline workers, logistics, porters, everybody just showed up. Our executive team, which was great, actually sat back. They're not going to be there on the front lines when something happens. And they were watching the process take place. And they came in when they normally would, if and when we escalated to them based on our IMS model.
Right.
That really empowered our teams, that they were taking us on and driving it. And it actually cascaded post-exercise. And it went into when we were doing the planning of our clinical and our Department Code Orange plans, just to ensure our level of readiness. And the amount of engagement on the teams was just amazing. And within those teams, it wasn't just the clinical teams. We had our planning, we had facilities, we had EVS. So there was that wraparound by our corporate and support services. If I have to look back, I don't think there was probably one team that was untouched. And I'm even taking a look at where my office is on 2 Queen. Now we're pulling in patient relations into our FISC center. Everybody was so excited, and I think that excitement continues. For the first time, we've actually built and set up 2 decon centers, one at St. Joe's, which is that closest healthcare facility to Toronto Stadium and the Fan Zone, and St. Mike's, the downtown trauma center. We have tested those. It was actually a planning student who took this on and did all of the drawings and continues past her assignment.
Wow.
To actually make sure that we are refining. Right this morning, I think there's some run-throughs and we're changing a few things, but everybody is engaged and everybody is stepping up each way. Long gone are the days of the tent. By the time you get that unraveled and blown up and hook up water, the event is probably half over. We've also, during this process, really leveraged a great partnership that we have with the JOHAD unit, which is the Joint Operations Hazard Assessment Team in Toronto. So they're the paramedics, they're the hazmat, and they're the fires. They've been to our sites. They've actually assisted us in how we're setting up those decon centers so that when they arrive, we just know where we all fit. And they're the partners that we would work with in a pre-FIFA and post-FIFA. So in a non-FIFA event, they're the ones that would be there in any disaster. They're part of our team, and they're a key part of our response and a key part of the downtown safety response. So our team extends beyond the walls of Unity. And I think what FIFA has done is really highlighted the essential roles of our first responders, and again, our healthcare workers. And it's just that resiliency that they just step up whenever tapped. And so that's why, for me, it's the people that make it. It's that strength and the commitment.
That's awesome. Awesome. That's a great spot to end off, Monica. Thank you so much again for chatting with me, and of course for all that important work you do to keep not only your organization prepared, but the city prepared for the World Cup. So yes, I really appreciate your time. And to our viewers, until the next one, take care.
Thank you.